Alright, welcome back. We're going to continue our look at security models, and in this short video we're going to look at the Clark-Wilson integrity model. So this kind of builds on the Bell model and the Biba integrity model. And what Clark and Wilson said is, hey, rather than build integrity levels, what we're going to do is look at change control. So we're going to try to build a system that controls or limits the interaction between subjects and objects with these kind of three big principles. First, no changes by unauthorized objects or subjects. No changes by unauthorized subjects. No unauthorized change by authorized subjects. And maintaining this kind of internal and external consistency between all of these interactions. Well, how are we going to do this? Well, it's kind of like a state model, but not as bad. What we're going to do is build this system so that no subject can directly talk with an object. Instead, it's got to go through an intermediary, and that intermediary, what it's going to do is make sure that there is a well-formed, in other words, it has to be completely correct transaction using only validated programs. All right. And so this kind of separation allows you to ensure no direct access to the object. Subjects have to work through this intermediate monitor that ensures everything is well formed and safe and secure before it ever gets to the program. Alright, so let's look at some of the controls that are in this. First of all, you've got to authenticate and identify the subject or the user. We use these well-formed transactions and then a restricted set of programs to ensure the integrity of a particular object. Now, there are a couple of elements that are within this particular model. The first is the idea of a constrained data item, and this is where the integrity of the data is being protected. You also have unconstrained data items. These are not protected. You have a integrity verification procedure. Boy, could you see that on a date? Hey, I'd like to invoke my integrity verification procedure on you. That would not go over well. Sorry, I digress. But the idea behind this is the procedure that's going to verify the integrity of a particular object. And then you've got a transformation procedure, and that's the procedures that allow the changes on constrained data items. Remember, unconstrained data items we really don't care about. Alright, well this concludes the short video, which is a review of the Clark-Wilson integrity model.